Good morning, ka-adventures. Time check. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. And it's so foggy. Good morning. Ang pasok ko ngayon is 9 o'clock. So, may time pa akong aga ko nagasing alas 6 instead of 9, alas 7. So, yan. Good morning. Ang ingay ng mga ibon. Hindi ko makita doon, oh. Fog is real. Hello.